itch nose with tongue. Done. Smell my dirty, dirty Applejack. Done. Huh, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would. My
Do you know you are my very best friend?
Come and get me, you big goon! Run! I'm running! I'm running! What? Applejack, that was... You saved my life!
You saved my life.
Hard. Come on, we should be heading on back now.
Man, am I lucky you...
By with no pony in it. You came out here to investigate. Give...
Thanks for walking me home, Spike. That was mighty kind of you. But now I have some chores that need tending to, so...
See you later.
What chores? I'll do them.
That's sweet, but you don't
It's
have
the least I can do. You saved my life. I need to repay the favor.
Shoot, Spike. That's what friends do for...
repay the favor.
Yes, I do.
Sugar, it's okay. It's not...
Not necessary. Your assistant...
It's just something that I really need to do.
Well, I hate to get in the way of...
Doing something you need to do. Great.
What should I do?
Apple blooms under one instead.
On the double. Applejack said I could do you.
Great! I could use all the help I can get.
Just don't feel right to have you, doing for me.
Please?
Really, you don't...
Pretty please?
It's just not necessary.
Pretty please?
Oh, all right.
Appreciate all your help today, Sugar Cube, but I can take it from here. Don't be ridiculous. It is my honor and my duty. Today's just the beginning. What's that now? You saved my life.
According to the Spike the Dragon Code, I owe you a life debt and must serve you.
With Twilight's blessing, I'm free to follow my...
Well, until forever!
I completely respect your dragon code. Truly, I do, but I just can't cotton with you
Permanently serving me.
I won't be a noble dragon anymore.
Oh, well, I can't have you feeling like you're not a noble dragon now, can I?
Great! And from here on in, your wish is my command.
Okay. I would like you to... want you to do anything.
If I don't help you, how will I know I'm a noble dragon?
Well,
Maybe there's things you need help with that you don't even realize you need help with. Like me. Go!
Ouch. Ready for another pony ride?
No.
Rainbow Dash wins the Bronco Buck.
If she needed help, I think she'd realize it. Maybe not. Maybe Applejack needs help realizing what she needs help with. Like, maybe your back's...
That does feel good.
See? Or you might need help remembering your favorite song. The dragon is the finest creature to a man just guarding treasure.
I don't think that's her favorite song.
Or you might need help breathing.
breathing?
I certainly do not.
See? There are plenty of things I can help you with.
Rabbit season, duck season, rabbit season, duck season.
That was very convincing.
We are